Hi everyone, my name is Caroline Manning. This is an original song that I wrote called Puzzle. Hope you guys enjoy it. Home is far from this place, and your eyes keep